Welcome back, MAST Family! We hope you had an amazing midwinter break.
Congratulations to the winners, Kamari, Isaiah, Vinroy, and Nyla for winning MAST morning meeting prizes. Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign into the link bit.ly/MAST Monday morning meetings.
Birthday shoutouts. Remember to use the bit.ly link to let us know when your birthday is so we can highlight it in our weekly shoutouts. bit.ly/purpleprince-b-day shoutout.
On the 17th, we have Kayla V. On the 18th, we have Chiamaka O. And on the 19th, we have Shamar O. Our annual peak trip is back. This educational excursion in the Poconos Mountains is an overnight trip. In order to qualify to attend, scholars must 1. Be in good academic standing, 75+. 2. Have no behavioral issues since the beginning of the term. And 3. Have an 85% or above attendance.
Congratulations to all the awardees in the Advisory Awards ceremony. The MAST Learning community is extremely proud of you. MAST Regents Week will take place on March the 6th through March the 10th. More information is forthcoming. #Let's Rock the Regents.
Saturday Regents Prep for Math resumes this Saturday, March 3rd. Please arrive on time to your science session at 10 a.m. or 11:30 a.m. with Miss E. ENL ELA Regents Prep will begin on Friday, March 10th at 2 p.m. sharp with Miss Marston for all registered students in room 207. The new basketball club meets every weekday, Monday through Friday, from 7:40 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G.
It's a pizza party. The advisory that has 100% parent surveys receives a pizza party. Remember to make sure to notify your advisory as soon as the parent survey is complete. Momentum for the 11th graders will take place on Tuesday, February the 28th and Wednesday, March the 1st. 12th grade momentum will take place on Wednesday and Thursday, March the 15th and the 16th.
Are you interested in learning how to play chess or participate in a trivia tournament? If you are interested in joining an after-school club, please see Mr. McCoy. The first meeting is this Wednesday at 3:15 p.m. to 4:50 p.m. in room 223. If you are interested in joining, fill out the form by using the link bit.ly/chessandtrivia.
Swimming and lifeguard training is in session. It's from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. every Wednesday. Remember to check out our Instagram page for the dates of PSAL games. Latinos Unidos Bake Sale will be on Friday, March the 17th. Be on the lookout for more information on the items on the menu.
Summer youth employment opportunities are back. Do not miss out on this opportunity to make money this summer. Get your money up, not your funny up. Please see Ms. Slinger to sign up for this week.
Purple Prince is the official MAST newsletter. The release of its first issue of 2023 is on Thursday, February the 16th. All Touro College Spanish 1 course scholars report to room 116 at Hertz High School on Tuesday, 3:15 p.m. And all college level nutrition scholars, please report to room 116 on Thursday in collaboration with Hart High.
Thank you for everyone who auditioned for AHA Broadway, which is coming to MAST on Wednesdays and Thursdays beginning March 15th, 2023. More information about the play and the roles will be available and forthcoming.
Regents Prep and PM School will resume this week on March the 6th. You will be notified if you are registered for the course.
Please see the following ad from Dr. E, who works with us here at MAST High School, regarding an amazing opportunity at Fordham University that starts this summer.
Are you looking to go to college this summer? Well, now you can. Check out the link below and apply to the Fordham University Summer STEP program. It is a great opportunity for high school students to go to the Lincoln Center campus of Fordham University. You'll be able to hang out with college students, meet some other high school students from the local boroughs, and also participate in math lab experiences and computer science courses. Sign up today and don't delay.
Upcoming senior due dates. On February 27th, the first due date is for $40, and on March 21st, the last payment is also for $40. Do you need school supplies? Visit Ms. Felipe in room 226B for supply goodie bags.
Senior Prom at the Castle, June 7, 2023. Cash and money order payments only. See Ms. Middleton in room 219 or AP Slinger in room 217 to make payments or have any concern. Special shout out. Remember to join scholars and Mr. Singh every Friday in room 205 to learn about East Asian culture, Japanese anime, and participate in competitive gaming with the East Asian Club from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m.
In collaboration with our sister school, Hart, MAST 11th graders will be invited to participate in a college fair on March 15th. More details will follow.
Seniors, have you completed your FAFSA? You must complete your financial application in order to attend the college or university you are accepted into. FAFSA sessions will resume this Friday, March the 3rd at 2 p.m.
Be reminded that the following clubs meet this week. On Monday, we had the Performing Arts Department. On Tuesday, we had the Performing Arts, the Music and Videography Club, MBSK, and the Mental Health Matters Club. On Wednesday, we have the Art Club, Own Your Crown Club, Swimming, NHS, Student Government. Special shout out to Mr. Mazzoli and all of the NHS members who are encouraged to attend.
On Thursday, we have GSA Club, Gender and Sexuality Alliance, and Culinary Arts Club. Remember to submit your dues and permission forms to Mrs. Morales. On Fridays, we have Horace Knocks and Youngsters Off the Court, and we also have Latinos Unidos, which is on Friday, Period 5, and College Readiness Workshops, which is after school at 2 p.m.